Hey friends, we're out here today re-roofing this nice little ranch home, Atlas Pinnacle going on, and one of the most important things to the homeowner's decision was our ability to help them out with the financial end of things. So we offer a financing program that will actually stretch your payments out for up to 15 years and have rates as low as 8.99. We also have some other alternatives for folks, but we have found a lot of success with that program, and one of the best things is when you do the math on what it's going to cost. So this roof is out of pocket $50, and I think it's 87 and some change, so just under $88 a month. And of course, with that, there's no prepayment penalty, no detriment to paying it off early. So if you want to just kind of extend that out and have that low payment that's going to last you for a while, and then as you get, a tax refund, a bonus, a whatever else you want to do, and just kind of pay that off faster, you can. But it's nice to have the comfort of a payment under $100 a month. You get the new roof, you get our lifetime warranty, you get everything that's included with a Happy Home roof, but your payment's pretty affordable and nothing's going to break the bank up front. $50, and in a month you have your first $90 payment, so not so bad. So if you have any questions and you want to reach out and check into financing, check into some alternatives we have and some of the different plans we can do for you, please reach out, happyhomeroofs.com, or give us a call, 717-798-8200. Talk to you soon.